Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix error saving wireless profile message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error saving wireless profile message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, first you have to click on this search menu, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on this command prompt. In this, what you have to do, you have to type ipconfig space / flush DNS, hit enter. After seeing this message, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, then type the second command, that is netsh space winsock reset. Then hit enter. After that, completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting PC, you can check hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here network reset. Click on this network reset. Before clicking reset now, you have to read this carefully, because after clicking reset now, all your saved Wi-Fi passwords will be removed, and you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix error saving wireless profile message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.